Home and our devices. Well, look no further. We lean on one family of clean to do that for us. It's the Campanellis, our family of clean, and they're bringing us the Loopy Towel 6-piece set this morning. This is fantastic because all 6 of these pieces are coming to you for $19.98 or 3 easy payments of $6.66. This is the Loopy Towel, not to be confused with the microfiber towel, which is different, but they're close cousins, and we're going to tell you why in just a moment here with my buddy Chris Campanelli, but let me take you through the colors that we have left right now. These are all exclusive colors to us here at QVC, and you're seeing the collection right here in the sage. We also have it available right next door in chocolate. Just hang out here on chocolate. Everyone is talking about brown tones right now, especially with the Pantone color of the year. Chocolate and browns are very, very popular and hot. And then down in the front, that is what we are calling our denim. You're getting 2 of the 6x6, 2 of the 9x9, and 2 of the 12x12. My good buddy Chris Campanelli is here this morning. Good morning, sir.
And because I know you, I wanted to name that espresso martini.
You know me too well.
I do, too well.
Well, we've had espresso martinis together. That's probably why. All right, my friend.
Well, good morning, everybody. Yes, if you are eating wings and then you go on your phone,
yes,
this is the product that you want to use to clean it, right?
Yeah.
So why is the Loopy towel so different than any other microfiber towel? Well, first of all, when you make a microfiber towel, we sold 32 million microfiber towels here at QVC.
Amazing.
So we know a thing or two about microfiber.
Yes.
So when you make a microfiber towel, this is a traditional microfiber towel. What happens is you make the fibers really long and then you shear them off, and then they tend to open up like the head of a dandelion.
Right.
And what that does every once in a while is it leaves a little bit of lint.
Sure.
So customers came to us and said, we love your towels, but we would love a lint-free experience for things like our devices, our eyeglasses, our televisions, our windows, our mirrors.
Right.
So we came up with the Loopy towel. Now, the Loopy towel, if we punch in, thank you very much. The Loopy towel is a closed loop towel, almost like a French terry towel like you would use in the bathroom, like when you're out of the shower, but it's still made of microfiber. So what does that do? When we loop it over itself, it leaves absolutely no lint. Perfect for your devices, your eyeglasses, and that's why we give you these 3 different sizes to use them in various places around the house.
Right.
So we'll start with the 6x6, right? Again, if you're eating wings, like me,
yes,
and then going on your tablet,
yes,
probably like me, this is what your tablet might look like. But watch this, the Loopy towel, just dry. We're going to do a couple of little swipes, and you can see that cleans that up. And try to get a good reflection there. Yeah, absolutely lint-free experience. 1, 2, 3, no lint. And then, unlike all of those other products, maybe like an alcohol wipe or something, put this in the washing machine in the dryer and use it over and over and over again.
That's one of the many reasons we love about the Campanellis, the sustainability sort of factor that we're talking about. We're not going through so much waste, and that's what we love. We get to wash these over and over again and reuse them good as new.
Good as new, yeah. And I keep one of these in my pocket at all times. Yeah. I mean, listen, they're in the center console of my car. They're in every hoodie that I have, every pair of pants that I have, because of my eyeglasses. When's the last time you saw like somebody do this number with the shirt? Oh, right. You can't do it on the sweater. It's a natural fiber. You don't want to scratch your eyeglasses. Right. But this is why I love this product, is right here for the eyeglasses.
Oh, so good. I love that you just said keep one in your car. A lot of us have that sort of monitor and that sort of touch screen moment. We're putting down our visors. We've got the mirror. It's all dirty. You know, this is how we do this. The dash.
How about the haze on the windshield?
Oh, forget about
Especially this time of year.
Yes.
Okay, if you're going to use the larger towels, then we'll start up to the middle size here. Great for televisions and laptops. If you ever want to use like water with this, just don't spray anything on your devices. Take a little bit of water, right? Spray it on the towel itself, and then what's going to happen is that's going to allow you to use a little bit of moisture on the screen. So these are great for laptops. They're great for your computers. They're great for eyeglasses. They're great for your mirrors. They're great for, you know, shower enclosures and stuff like that. And then I love this size. Yeah, look at that.
So clean.
I love this size here because I can put this in the keyboard. I can close this up, and then I can take it with me if I want to. Right there. Isn't that nice?
That's perfect.
Isn't that great?
That is awesome.
All right, so we got the big game coming up. How about the television screens, right? I don't know. My TV's hanging on the wall. I have no idea how fingerprints get on it.
How does that happen?
I have no, it's probably my kids. I'm going to blame my kids. But
we're lovely, by the way.
Don't ever spray anything on the device itself. Spray it on the towel. And then here's the whole idea. It's the Loopy fibers that are doing the work for you. They're doing all of the scrubbing. So we'll get up here into all of the corners. Look at the before and after, right? So you've got the before over here with all the fingerprints. You got the after, nice and clean. All of that moisture is going to evaporate. And this goes in the washing machine and the dryer. And you're ready to go.
Incredible.
Right?
So good. And
It's
all
the
6
technology
pieces.
of the towel. That's what I'm telling you.
Right.
Don't worry. If you want lint-free and you want to clean something using only a little bit of water, like your mirrors and your windows and your eyeglasses and your devices, use this towel. The large one, how about for windows? You ready for windows,
yeah,
Steve?
definitely. Let's get in here.
Same thing. When you're cleaning windows, you don't need to spray the stuff on the window. You're using entirely too much solution. Spray the towel itself,
And
a little
what's in
bit
that
of water.
bottle that you're spraying there?
H2O, buddy.
Come on now.
H2O. That's what this is.
Yeah.
Just 100% water. And the same thing. The technology of the towel is doing the work for you, right? All the way up here into the corners. Look, a little bit before, a little bit after. I know it's a little bit difficult to see.
I'll show
but
you.
look, here. Look how clean that is.
Cloudy.
That's clean. Clean. Isn't that great? Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Awesome.
one last thing, Steve. Here we go.
Let's see it.
When you use your telephone, or you use your phone, put it up against your face, and if you happen to have some
Whoa,
makeup
just
on,
makeup on the phone.
makeup on the phone. This is my telephone. This is my telephone. Why do I call it telephone? Like
Telephone.
Alexander
I
Graham
love
Bell.
you.
Put my cell phone. But yeah, the whole idea, you want to make sure that it's clean. I keep one of these in my pocket at all time for my eyeglasses and my cell phone. It's good to go.
2 6x6, 2 9x9, 2 12x12, all coming home for $19.98. Just kidding. This was the Sage. It just sold out. We've got 1,000 left in that chocolate and about 1,300 in the denim. Now's the time to pick these up with item B58065 from Campanelli. Good to see you, my friend. I'm so glad you're here this morning.
We're glad to be here.
All right, we'll see you soon, Chris. All right, it's time for a big deal indeed. Oh, and I'm so excited to present you with this amazing Temptation set of 4 24